Noise. Okay,
get out!
Remember,
get.
Alright guys, we're gonna hit up Ross and we're gonna hit up a scooter. Yeah.
oh, scan QR code. Okay, that's fine.
You got the barcode?
Oh, yeah. Yo, I ain't getting the one that
I got this. Ah, whatever. You scan it right there?
$1 to unlock and 23 per minute. 23 seconds. Dude, just take a picture of it with your like that.
I know.
Oh yeah.
Dude, it says take a picture of the front again.
Alright, you guys have more walks to that?
I'll find you guys. Hell yeah, this is sick, guys.
We're gonna have to go on the street, by the way. I'm pretty sure it's over there.
Okay.
It was like opposite of the grocery outlet. Alright, turn right.
Heck yeah, bro. This is sick.
Turn left here. Oh, no.
We're at 14.9 miles per hour right now. Let's go, 15.1, let's go, let's go. I tried a trick and I almost fell. It's gone. It's all good. Dude, I'm glad we're going to Ross. All right, we're gonna buy a new flip-flop. Ah, still repair it.
I need to buy dress on.
Come on, go. There we go. There we go. It works. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ready to go. All right, we back at the scooters. Let's go get this Uber app up. We're almost there, man. This is great. Oh. No! Are you okay? My bad. Oh shoot, are you okay, bro?
Yeah, no, I'm fine.
Did it break right there?
Can you feel me?
Did it break right there?
Yeah.
Did it?
Dude, what the f—
I thought we said go over here.
Well, no.
First of all, I learned how to ride that thing. Somebody just left it halfway charged up and only going like 4 miles per hour.
Oh, shoot.
That's the best way to learn.
Yeah.
Man, I went to Santa Monica. They leave that shit charged up. Oh shit. I'm going everywhere. Everywhere on the arm.
Open up, Nick.
What's the magic word?
Please? Give me a Corona?
Alcohol. Beer.
Dude, Nick, you wanna see what Anthony did?
Like my shoes.
Oh, I crashed into him.
Noise. Okay,
Get out!
Remember,
Get.
You're lying?
You're lying.
I'm actually not lying.
Bruh, is it?
You have your phone, right?
Yeah. What, are we gonna text it? Oh my gosh.
All right, you guys don't owe me anything now.
Yeah, gosh, damn it.
Are these scooters that you rode?
Yeah. You're such a idiot.
Oh, I didn't know it was gonna be locked.
No, it's okay.
I didn't know the door handle was gonna be locked.
Like part of me was like, this is gonna happen the most inconvenient. Like,
Yeah.
you know, you just came out to open
Like
for
when
us.
your guys' pizza is almost done in the oven.
Yeah, that.
Okay, and key exchange, okay. So we're just gonna call her
Okay.
and be like,
Yeah, we accidentally locked ourselves out.
oh my gosh.
We stepped outside and closed the
Let's
door.
really not try to sound like idiots. This is
Married.
I'm the idiot. It doesn't matter.
You shouldn't have Nick call because I feel like he knows how to explain.
You wanna answer it? You wanna talk?
Let's have Nick talk. Yeah. It was your fault. All right, looks like we're rooming with Gabe and Michelle.
You have reached the voicemail box of 951.
Damn. Wow.
Yo, where the workers at? Nick, it's not gonna budge, dude.
You're such an idiot.
Wait, so when you open the door, you locked it again?
No. Call multiple times, so she'll see that it's an emergency.
Yeah.
Probably.
Or I'll text her or something. Hey, we're locked out. Pizza's. There's the guy.
Hey, come on. Hey, let's focus on this.
What's up, bro?
There's my alarm going off for pizza.
How do I text
We're
this?
trying to call our Airbnb because we got locked out, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh shit, the chick that just got down. Today's your lucky day, man. I'm trying to give me a few bucks on getting a cold beer, but I got something to barter, something to trade. Got some real silver. Check it out, 925. And look up this. That's like worth it. That's a real motherfucker right there, bro. That's a $1 old school. That's real silver too.
That alarm's gonna be going off.
Yeah, well, the pizza's going off. Come on.
And I got some real silver earrings right here for you, 925.
If we have to break it down.
You know, kick me down with some. Show
I'm
me
actually
love.
really pissed at myself.
I'm trying to get some cold brew. Try.
I mean, what's the cheapest one, bro? Like, how much you looking for?
That motherfucking coin, it might be
Let's see it.
priceless, bro. I'm not on no bullshit.
$1.
Somebody Google it.
Yeah.
Hey, Anthony, focus on this.
I am.
You're
Nick.
not.
$1.
God, dude.
Are you mad?
That's real.
I'm pissed at myself, but you're not doing anything to
Dude,
help because
I
you're
texted her, and then I tried to call her. You want me to call her again?
Try calling her again.
All right. Why don't you call her with your phone?
So, basically, what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to do something.
Oh yeah.
You feel me? Yeah, right. So those earrings, you can still like as a set.
Can I just get finesse for $6? I just wanted him to leave us.
Did you give him $6?
Yeah, I mean, I ain't
For that $50?
I mean, I don't care.
What if it was chocolate?
Oh my
I
gosh.
just wanted him to leave.
We call them firefighters. That actually might end up happening.
We got locked out.
Did she respond?
No. I'm gonna message her. We got locked out.
Hold on. Not yet.
I think I got it. Did you get the manager's number?
Landlord.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yeah? No? Dude, yeah, we definitely need to call someone quick. Because we got another, like, what? 15 minutes until it starts smoking?
Probably. Been in there for 25 minutes, 26 minutes.
Well, we're gonna definitely have to go get another pizza at Grocery Outlet.
Yeah, I am not going. I'm not tripping about the pizza.
Keep trying to call her.
Yep, I guess.
Said there was no number?
You have reached the voice.
Okay.
Are we gonna have to do locksmith?
Yeah, that's true. We could do locksmith.
It's gonna be like 50. It's gonna have to be like $50.
Yeah, but it's
It's gotta be quick.
Call locksmith, I guess.
Yeah.
well, am I the only one with the phone?
Mine's gonna die.
What about you, bro?
Well, you don't want to call a locksmith?
No, I know. I mean, I'm just doing a lot, you know. But I'll call a locksmith. I'm trying to also call her. You can call a locksmith. I'll call this local locksmith here. Oh, I got locked out of my Airbnb. What's up?
We got locked out of our apartment.
Oh, it's sorry, apartment. Yeah, apartment. Yeah, it's an apartment.
Okay, what's the address so I can better assist you?
Is it 8? Hello, is this locksmith? Oh, hello, is this Mary? It's Anthony. Yeah. So, so yeah, we got locked out of the Airbnb. All right, guys. All right, so we just got in the Airbnb. I don't know if where it cut out, but we're inside. There was a spare key here. Wow, and the pizza is just a little bit crispy. And we're good. There was always a spare key. Oh man, it's
You know
pretty
what?
badass.
Hey. Fuck that shit.
All right,
It's in my bag.
got my beer.
It's in my bag.
Where's your bag?
I feel like not going outside of the
Okay, Jodie hasn't had her hair professionally cut or coloured in over 25 years.